Hello everyone and welcome to another Looker Studio tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to restore a previous Looker Studio report versions. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do really is to click on File, top left hand side. You are going to hover on top of version history. You're going to say See version history. And then on the right hand side, you're going to see all the Looker Studio report versions. You can click on any of them, you can check any of them, and you can actually say restore this version on the top right hand side if you want to restore this version. Now, if you foresee, for example, that you may want to come back to a previous Looker Studio report version as you are building this report, then what you can do is you can click on File here, and then you can go to version history and you can name the current version. So you can give it a name so you can understand basically what this version was about. So when you go basically and check the version history, you're not going to actually see a bunch of dates and times here. You're going to see something a little bit more meaningful. So you're going to decide whether you want to restore a Looker Studio report version or not. So that's it. That's how easy it is to restore a previous Looker Studio report version. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.